Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today's video I'll be showing you how to put TikTok in dark mode. So in order to enable a dark mode feature in TikTok, if you open up your application or update your application and then log in into your account, it's going to direct you to the home page. Once you're on the home page, this is how it's going to look like. So click on the profile icon located right at the bottom, go to your grab bar icon and then click on it, go to settings and privacy. So right over here you'll be able to see variety of options. Now among this, you'll not be able to find an option as dark mode feature or anything. So you'll not be able to enable a dark mode feature on your TikTok application itself. However, what else you can do is, apart from that, you can enable a dark mode theme on your devices. For that, you need to go to your settings application. After that, go to display, and this is going to take you to the display page where you'll be able to see an option as dark theme. So you need to toggle the switch for this and you'll be able to put your TikTok in a dark mode feature. In this way you can enable or put TikTok in dark mode. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.